In this video, you will see how to delete empty rows in LibreOffice Calc. As you can see, I have here empty rows and we will filter out them and delete all the empty rows at once. Before going to that, you can just click on the row and then right click and then select the option delete row to delete the single row. You can press and hold the control key or command key on Mac and then click on the empty rows like this to select multiple rows, and then you can also delete multiple rows at once like this. However, if your data is very large and if you want to filter out the empty rows, you will need to select the data and then click here on the auto filter option. Now you will start to see these filters. You just need to click on the downward arrow, then go to filter by condition and filter by empty. Now you will see only the empty columns in your data, and here you can see the column numbers in blue. These rows are part of the data. We can simply select these rows and then right click and then delete them like this. Now go back to the filter and select the option clear filter. Now as you can see, the empty rows are deleted and only the data is retained. Note that the numbering of the rows has also restarted and it is in the serial order. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about LibreOffice Calc quickly. See you again in the next one.